Hi everybody, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art, and I have some explaining to do. So, I'm doing a collaboration with CJ from CJ Pours, and we decided to do tree rings that are wrecked, and this is my painting that I did, and lo and behold, I lost the video of this painting. I was cleaning up my phone and my camera and everything, and it must have got deleted. So here is the painting. It's beautiful. It turned out great. But I'm going to do another one. I'm going to use the same colors and everything and try and make it look similar. Same size canvas and everything. So we're going to do that. And at the end of the video, I have got a clip of her doing her video, and she has a clip of me doing my video. The old video I sent her a clip of the old video that got deleted. So I'm going to try this again. The same colors and everything. So we'll try not to lose it this time. See what I can figure out to do. So this is a 12 by 16 canvas, and I'm using, this is a Flash Mutant purple, and I have JoyfullyArt Carnation, and I have Artist Loft Lemon, and Art Minds Smoked Pearl. And then I have JoyfullyArt Cobalt Teal Hue and Artist Loft Aquamarine Blue. So those are my colors, and I hope everything goes well. Let's try and do this again. Let's see, we'll put one here and get the dog hair off my canvas. So if it doesn't look the same, we'll know why. And pour this into here. Hope that this comes out good. And let me just make sure. This was up here. I love this lemon and the carnation, or the smoked pearl together. I think it was really pretty. There's that. And then I have the blues. Gosh, dog hair is everywhere on my stuff. And then the blues was down here. And there is white in them also, which I might need some white as flow extender on these. I'm not sure. Let me give them a torch. Shake. See some dog hair already. There's that. It's inconvenient to spread this a little bit with. Let's see what we can do. Don't think this one's going to turn out as nice as the other one did, but we'll give it a try. I forgot to wreck them, didn't I? Oh, well, goodness. I'm not doing anything right today, it seems like. Let's see, I lost all my lemon yellow in there. Most certainly did. I don't think this is going to turn out anything like I want it to. Let me wreck this one. At least I'll get one of them wrecked, huh? Let's try that again. Oh, well, the other one turned out much better, but you'll have that, I suppose. I still like it, but I like the other one much better. I think the carnation took over a lot. See if we can move down some. All right, there we go. I think that's it. I like the other one much better that I showed you at the beginning. See my sides over here. I think I'm good to go there. I'm not sure when this one will be coming out, but I will give it a go for. I wish that I hadn't deleted the other one. Got a big lump in my paint right there. Oh, that's terrible. But let me get something to wipe my hands with. Like I said, this is a collaboration with Kat from CJ Pours. Go over and check out her channel. She's really good. And see the clip from my video, and the clip from her video will be at the end of this video. So please have a look. I'll give you a close-up. It's not that great, but it is what it is. I like the other one so much better. Let me show it to you again. This is the original from the original video. So much better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I enjoyed doing this collaboration with CJ. And I hope you'll check her out. And I hope you enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for the clip at the end of this video. And as always, please have a great day.